are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.